Welcome back to our channel, all you hardworking go-getters. Now today we're going to really level up your Jira game. We're diving in deep with automated issue assignment so you can truly streamline your project management process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to auto-assign Jira issues and give your productivity a definite booster shot. Let's get you started. First things first, the beauty of our method today revolves around using default component assignees. Now you might ask, what is that exactly? If your project uses components such as subparts or divisions of a project, Jira lets you automatically assign issues to the designated component lead when you select that component while you're creating the issue. So how does it work? It's easier than you think. Start by navigating to your project settings. You'll find this option on your main dashboard, and within project settings, you want to head straight to the components section. Think of this components section as the backstage of your projects, where you can design, modify, and specify various aspects. It's here where you can create a new component or even edit an existing one, much like sculpting the backstage elements for your smooth project operation. Up next, you'll need to set up your component lead. This is the superhero who will be responsible for all issues associated with that component, the go-to person with the answers, if you will. Alright, now we're at a crucial junction. You need to change the default assignee setting for that component to the component lead. Why do we do this? Well, this ensures that whenever an issue pops up, Jira smartly says, I know who's up for the task, and automatically assigns the issue to the component lead you've designated. And just like that, whenever an issue is created and its corresponding component is selected, Jira comes to the rescue. It automatically assigns the issue to your defined component lead if no assignee is manually chosen. You've just turned a possibly time-consuming task into a quick, smooth process with minimal clicks. So there you have it. Now you know how to auto-assign issues in Jira. This might seem a tad overwhelming at first, but give it a try, and you'll see how it truly simplifies your process, keeps your team organized, and saves you from the chaos of unassigned issues. We're excited to know how this worked out for you. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video useful. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, just drop your questions in the comment section below. I promise we read all of them. Subscribe for more awesome tutorials like this because remember, we're all about helping you work smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay productive.